Good morning. It is a beautiful Saturday morning here. I am admiring some gorgeous flowers that we got for Valentine's Day. It has just been a week after Valentine's Day, and the flowers are still very fresh and absolutely amazing. I am especially admiring all these different colors. I wanted to create this video today so that I can share a recipe with you. This is a very simple recipe that you can use every day. This is going to be very useful for you, especially if you suffer from acid or gastric reflux. I'm going to show you how to make a simple black tea. So the tea that you're going to see today is going to be a little bit different than the tea that you have seen in our channel before. If you have lactose intolerance and you're not able to tolerate milk, this could be a very good option for you. As you can see that I'm chopping some lemon and ginger. These are the most important ingredient for the recipe. And of course you need some water. So the other ingredients would be sugar or honey, depending on your preference. And last but not least, the other ingredient would be tea bag. There are tremendous health benefits to ginger. Ginger can be very useful for nausea, especially women who are pregnant can use this. Elderly patients who suffer from arthritis, they can use ginger as well. It helps with inflammation or pain that they experience with arthritis. Studies have shown that ginger helps lower blood sugar and lower insulin resistance. Ginger is also supposed to help you lower your cholesterol, which means it'll help prevent any sort of cardiovascular events such as heart attack or stroke. This particular study for cholesterol and blood sugar was done on a very small sample size of 50. Either way, we do know that ginger has a lot of health benefits to it. Similarly, lemon is a good source of vitamin C, which means it helps improve our immune system and helps produce collagen in our skin. Lemons are also a natural energy booster. It may provide that extra energy that you may need in the middle of the day or in the morning to get your day started. If you suffer from stomach ache, lemon can help you with that. High acidity in lemon can help in the production of hydrochloric acid, which helps in the digestion of food. As you can see that ginger and lemon have various different health benefits to them. Similarly, honey has various different medicinal purposes as well. Honey can be used as a cough suppressant. Honey can also be used to treat burn. It helps in the wound healing process. Honey contains 30% glucose and 40% fructose. Honey contains high amount of fructose, so it still has to be used in moderation. Is honey better than sugar? Honey doesn't increase the blood sugar as fast as sugar does. That's why it's preferred a little more than sugar. Now you've heard the advantage of using lemon, ginger, and honey in your tea. You can use this combination pretty much every day in your life. As you can see that I'm preparing my ginger and lemon pretty much for the week, so I can use it every day when I get up in the morning. Also, if you don't have time to boil that water, you can just use some warm water and drop that lemon and ginger and you're good to go for the day. Looks like water is boiled and ready to be poured. I just wanted to point out that in this video you see that I'm using a tea bag, but that's not something that I use it every day. I basically use some lemon, ginger, honey or sugar, and I'm good to go. Unlike coffee, tea has a very small amount of caffeine. Avoiding caffeine can prevent from anxiety and jitteriness. I hope you will enjoy the tea as much as we do. If you're thinking of any health-related videos, let me know. I'll try to do my best. And of course, don't forget to like and share with your family and friends. And if you hit that notification bell, you can be the first one to watch my video. Thanks for watching this video until the end. I really appreciate it, and I'll see you guys next time.